Do the trial. Don't be lazy, okay? Give more trials, try learning more.
LCM tell today. मतलब points and modern mistakes and tell LCM. Should I start?
Yeah, go ahead.
So one thing I want to learn. Like, I speak like this, right? Think I got
First of all, your body language is not good. You are in a completely fighting mode. Right. Are you inspired from Hulk or what?
Yes.
Huh?
Okay.
It should be a professional style, the way. Okay. Are you guys really proud that you are working on your personal brand? Huh?
Now I am so busy that I
You.
do not get
Good, sure, good. Give a clap for him. You are not proud?
Even I am so proud.
Huh?
But I do not
Then
get
why are you not telling? I'll say. I'll ask her what?
Why are you not?
Huh?
Why are you not?
Tell me.
Yeah, I am proud.
So first of all, let's check your body posture. Stand. Why is this? 56 inches. Just keep it normal. Right. Okay. There should be confidence. Right. Keep the chin straight. Okay. And don't do like this and that. It should be fixed. This part should be fixed. Right. Even if you do something, do with style. It should not move. This upper body part should move. Right. Like this. Don't do. Right. All these things and all. Fine. Have this, right? People will love your style. If you're standing like this, right? And if
People
someone
talk like this also I've seen.
So if someone is calling you, then don't say simply move like this.
People
Right.
in my class they talk like this on stage.
Don't do that. Move towards perfection. There is nothing called perfection, but move towards perfection. Now stand again.
Hitler.
Good.
So here I am the Nazi community.
You can do the role play. You can do the role play, but when it is needed. Okay. Presentation should be formal.
We are against the Jews.
Which one? Mossambi juice.
Or Jews community. Jews community.
Jews. Your pronunciation should be like that.
Jews.
Hey, juice. Mossambi juice. Hey Hitler, where is the Mossambi juice? Okay, alright, go ahead. Fine. Okay, Rachel, stand first. Stand. Okay. Now keep your hands like this. Fine. Now keep it. Can you keep it like this? Okay, you are like that. No. Keep it straight. Just yes.
I'm like this.
Oh, like that only, right? Okay, fine. Then keep the chin straight. Okay. Now you can go ahead. Don't do all these things and all. Okay. Just keep it fixed. Go ahead now.
Okay. So good evening to one more person. Do you know the marriage is becoming a bane in our country? Marriage. Why is marriage becoming a bane? Marriage is a bane because of a lot of reasons in our country like India, where both the genders want equal. Hello. Pay attention. See, marriage is becoming a pain because a lot of people, different genders, both the genders want equality, male and female. Female are not sacrificing. Listen to me, see, female are not sacrificing because they want to achieve their own careers. Now, our reason for unhappy marriages, rise in unhappy marriages. Rise in unhappy marriages is happening for people may stay in the marriages even if the marriage is based on